Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make some LEGO minifigures from Jaws. Starting off with the mare, we have the legs and the torso from Dr. Frink. I took the head from this astronaut, though I cannot seem to find anything other than the head. And finally, I took the hair from the 12th Doctor. Next up, we have Quint, and starting off, the legs come from Dick Grayson. I took the torso from this miner. The head that I used comes from this crook. Finally, I used a dark beige variant of the hat found on this LEGO Movie security guard. Next up, we have Matt Hooper, and as you can see, most of the body comes from the diver minifigure. I added some blue arms from Emmett. I used a variant of this head, which can be found on several police officers. And finally, I took the hair/glasses from Dick Grayson again. Here we have the main character of the film, and starting off we have some dark beige legs. The torso that I used comes from this policeman. The arms that I used for the character come from Willie. The head that I used is the good side of Bad Cop. And finally, the hair comes from Emmett. Finally, we have the unfortunate bite victim from the beginning of the movie, and most of the torso and body comes from this yellow spaceman. I decided to add one of the arms from Bart Simpson, add a nice dash of blood in there, if you will. This is the last time that we're going to be using Emmett, and we are taking his head now. It doesn't really matter where you take the hair from, but I think I took mine from a LEGO Friends minifigure. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how these minifigures have turned out, and I hope you like them as well. I don't do this sort of video often, but I always enjoy it when I do. If you enjoyed this video, I would recommend subscribing and maybe leaving a like on here, and I should hopefully see you in the next one. Thank you.